Hospitals are pathetic. Zanu PF Women's League boss openly tells Mnangagwa. The 12th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Harare. In a rare moment of blunt honesty, Zanu PF Women's League boss Mabel Chinamona has publicly criticized the dire state of Zimbabwe's health sector, describing hospitals as pathetic. During a women's event attended by President Emmerson Mnangagwa in Harare on Monday, Chinamona, speaking directly to the president, painted a grim picture of collapsing public health care, citing the acute shortage of basic medicines in hospitals across the country. "There is no medication in hospitals. Sir, the situation is bad," she declared, drawing gasps and murmurs from the audience. Her unusually candid remarks stood out in a political culture where ruling party leaders often avoid openly confronting Mnangagwa. Observers say the outburst signals growing frustration, even within Zanu PF, over deteriorating public services. It's unusual to hear such honesty from a senior party figure, especially in front of the president. This shows that the healthcare crisis is undeniable. One political analyst told this publication. Chinamona used the platform to urge immediate government intervention, stressing that citizens were bearing the brunt of the crisis. "The people are suffering, and we cannot continue to ignore the plight of our hospitals. Patients deserve proper care, and the lack of medication is unacceptable." Analysts warn that Chinamona's bold stance reflects broader discontent within Zanu PF's grassroots base, where citizens are increasingly vocal about service delivery failures. Whether Mnangagwa will respond with urgent reforms or dismiss the rebuke as internal noise remains to be seen.